Hello everyone, so welcome back to the YouTube channel and welcome back to Tractor Tuesday. It's been a while since I've done one of these, and today we're doing something a bit different. So before I start this video, this here is our fully restored Fendt Favorit 512C that is unfortunately now sold. So this tractor is heading off to its new home in Boston, Massachusetts in America. So this tractor here is a completely mint example of one of these tractors. It was fully restored up in the north by a man called Cyril Hanna. So the tractor was completely stripped back, fully resprayed, everything down to linkage balls, bolts, and everything was fully anodized in it. It has a genuine Fendt front linkage on it. The rims were all shot blasted on the tractor. It's on 540/65 R26 Trelleborg tyres in the front and 665 R38s in the back Trelleborg again. Mudguard skins were all refurbished on it, so the mudguard skins and the mudguard extensions on it, we put new mudguard extensions on it and refurbished these ones. New buttons in here, new tail lights. The whole back end was checked, top links been anodized, air brake fittings have been anodized. The whole tractor's been done, even down to leveling boxes and everything is working on it, which is very rare on a tractor of this age. On the top of the tractor you can see the Bluetooth aerial, or sorry, the radio aerial. We put new work lights up on the top. They are halogen lights, they're not LED, to keep it fairly period correct. Steps on this one have been redone, and a lot of these fence was here, we used to be all rotten. All new steel has been put into it, all welded done properly, anodized bolts. The cab doors and everything are in perfect condition, new rubbers around the doors. So I'll get into it and I'll show you around quickly the inside of it. So the whole inside of the tractor has been redone as well. All the plastics have been cleaned or replaced depending on what was needed to be done. Everything down to an original Blaupunkt radio that used to come in these tractors is on it, sunroof model. So on these they were turbo shift, so you have a 1-to-6 with a 4-way split and a split gear on them as well. You have spools down here on the side. You have a forward and reverse button. So the way you'd work this is you'd click it forward and you had to push in your clutch, she'd change direction, you let her out and she'd go again. And it is on air brakes. But that's the main thing. One cool thing about these cabs is you do have your push out front windscreen, which was very popular out in Germany in those type of warmer climates, and not Ireland. Hopefully where it's going it'll definitely be used. But it is an absolutely mint example of a tractor. So this tractor is, we'll make sure there's no cars coming, this tractor here is a manual transmission, so depending on what you like, some people would like it and some people will hate it, but it's an MW engine and the grunt out of it alone is just something else. So you have your 4 splits here on the side and you can have your hare and your tortoise. Now we'll keep it in high for the road. It's a 50k box, front and there's front suspension on it, there's no cab suspension on it. There's a front weight in this, so it is going to be a little bit comfier on the road, and we have got the tyres set down a little bit. So that was a little bit of a run around of this tractor. Unfortunately it is sold. We're hoping to get another one in soon, but if you liked it, you can still see it on our website. It's still advertised, and if any of you are in America, you'll see it hopefully running around the roads in Boston, Massachusetts. But thanks very much for watching. We have a couple of episodes coming up now soon. We have a couple of John Deeres in, we have a couple of more Valsers you'll see off James. But thank you very much for watching. We'll see you next week for Tractor Tuesday, and make sure you like and subscribe.